Hey guys, Ed here, and today, a couple days ago I bought this Hyundai Sonata 2009, and the thing with this car is that, well, so the thing is I can't open the door from inside. Okay, so this, nothing works. Unlocking, locking, it doesn't work. Okay, so I think I'll have to take off the panel and see what's up with it. So first thing, I'm gonna take off the panel. So let's get to it. Let's take a screwdriver and remove this cover here. You can use a butter knife or screwdriver or nail, as I did. And unscrew this screw right here. Okay, then unscrew the screw in here, inside here, and two screws over here on the bottom. So do that. Okay, so I took the screws out over here and over here, everywhere. Now let's take this thing off. This goes right out. And next thing, I believe there should be screws behind these things. So I'll try to get the center cap out like this, save it for later, and do the same thing for both of them and get them out. Okay, so I got both screws out. Next step, take here, pull on the plastic and just disconnect this thing here. There's a connector here. Okay, I'll disconnect this. You have a clip here, press on it and pull down. Okay, so next step, I guess we're ready to unplug. Okay, this thing looks like somebody already. Okay, right, one more here, one more screw. Okay, so when I have the screw out, I believe we should be able to slide the panel off the door. Yes. Unplug all the connectors. Just unplug all the connectors, okay? Okay guys, okay, so I took off the panel and this is what I see here. Looks like there used to be a clip here which would pull on this. Oh yeah, okay, I see what's the problem. Unscrew this thing. I'll unscrew this thing, I'll show you what's up. So I got the screw out. Now move to the left. Okay, here we go. And this is the thing, this piece broke off, and the handle used to pull. You can see what I'm doing. I'm moving handle, and it used to pull on this link and it would open the door, but this thing broke off, so it's not working correctly. So I don't think this should be a crazy fix. It's easy. Just disconnect these two things here, these two links. Disconnect it and go order a replacement handle. Should be cheap. I don't know, maybe less than 20 bucks definitely. So you can go to eBay or Amazon or whatever, any parts store, online parts store. Just write down your year, make, model and get the handle. So I'm gonna do this right now. I'm gonna go order the handle for this car, and when it comes in, I'm gonna replace it. That's my only option. Okay, hey guys, so I got the new part. Here's the handle. It looks pretty much the same as the old one. Yeah, it looks the same. So let's see how it's gonna work. And let's connect all the connectors here to wherever they belong to, and then we're gonna plug the links. So let's start by doing this. This thing goes here. This thing goes here. handle, this is the lock. So the lock is on top. So going. Hope you guys can see, because it's very uncomfortable to film it. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take this and go through the top hole over here, like this and like this. Then you slide the white pin over here, you see? You slide over here. Do same thing with the handle. Get it in the hole and slide here till it clicks, both of them. Okay. So, okay guys, once you have everything in place, that's what we're gonna do. You're gonna take a handle, holding. Okay, you need two hands to do this, but I'm gonna try to do this with one. You have to slide the handle back in as we did before. Hop. It's back in place. So now we're gonna use, I'm gonna take the cover and put it on here on top, align it with the window. So you're gonna need two hands. So I'm gonna put you guys here. I'm gonna need two hands. And we're gonna do this. Okay, make sure you have this connector here. Don't hide it under the panel. Flip it around. Okay, all set. Next step, cover. Cover goes like this. Just tap on it a couple times, it's gonna go back, it's gonna go in easy. Next step, take a screw, put the screw inside. You have the screw inside, just close the gate. That's it. Next step, put the screw here, then put two screws on the bottom. These two screws match the color, and the screw right here. Okay, and that's pretty much the whole thing. You're just gonna have to connect this with the speaker here, with this speaker with the connector. Connect it and click it back in place. Simple. So guys, if this helps, press like. Have a great day. Bye.